guys, my name is Alex. If you're new here, if you've been here before, welcome back. I am a little bit excited to play with more cool colors. So this is not like a chit chat video. I'm planning to do more chit chat videos because that's most of my views are, but whatever. But yeah, so we are going to play with some more cool colors. I don't know. A lot of people commented on my video that they really liked the look, and I said, let's play with more cool colors. So, I already did my base, everything else, and I'm going to work with the Coastal Scents eyeshadow palette, Hot Pots, because why not? I cannot wait next week to get a new brand called Beauty Boy Cosmetics. I'm very excited for that because his first palette was Influencer, and I do have a 10% off code for any order you get. So I'm very excited for that, and then else, and these are I am affiliated with Coastal Scents too, so you get some whatever. I don't have a code or anything like that. It would just be linked to me. Click on the link and there you go. So it helps me to get money, and also just so I can add new products into my collection, of course, and trying out and reviewing. So I actually wearing this dark color, teal. But I am actually going to use these three colors right here. And light taupe, really cute color. Teal green, really beautiful matte color. I love it. And then this shimmery color called the Virdian. So sorry, Virdian. There we go, Virdian. This color right here. So yeah, I'm very excited to try that out. I might add another color to it, but I don't know. But we're definitely gonna go with it. So I'm gonna put my little thing a little bit closer and everything else. So we're gonna do an eyeshadow base, and of course it's gonna be with Milani. I really do love this stuff, and when I ever run out, I will try different eyeshadow primers. I don't tend to, and whatever the case may be. So I am definitely have to get me a bigger mirror here. And there's a little bit of fallout. It's not too much. So I'm going to use my small mirror. And I have to be careful with my cats because my cats just seem to want to knock everything over. As you can see, there's these shadows are so beautiful, and I do enjoy. And I'm kind of poking in the crease just a little bit, just to deepen that crease up just a tiny bit, but not a lot. I'm just giving it a nice Is it like, it's not really matte, but it's like iridescent, a little bit dark. Which I kind of like. I really like how this turned out. I definitely like how my eyeliner look. I am definitely gonna keep using this. So that is awesome. So I feel fall, more fall as ever been. So yeah. So I really do like this look. This is definitely speaking fall to me. I definitely like these kind of colors where the dark teals, all of this is becoming to be more of a fall thing, I've noticed. So very excited about this. So I like how the dark look really complements this warm color, really complements the cool tone color, especially with this green. These two greens together, it makes a really pretty green. I really do like this. I like to have the taupe work. The like taupe. And that's giving me a nice little cool tone look. So kind of matches my shirt I have on. So kind of almost, but and of course I use my Profusion lip cream and Poetic. I love that stuff. I love Profusion lip creams because there's nothing on my lip. MUA video shout out. Ooh. Or MUA shout out. Okay, because after this, 7:20 at night. Yeah. So, oh, my forehead. Okay. So, who are you ready for? Who do you want to be? Yeah. So, I thought I would show this beautiful girl who really has started doing makeup and just started of doing Twitter and everything else, and she is, to me, she does a beautiful good job with her makeup. I mean, she's learning, and that's the key about this, is learning. And that's one thing about makeup, is learning and everything else. And this is what I am not going, this is me giving her support and everything else. I don't want anybody to come, well, she's, no. I do the talented to starting, who immediate, or anything else. I am not a professional. I just do what I know, and I just learn how I go, and that's how makeup is. It's just learn how you go. And so it just takes practice. That's what all makeup is. This just takes a whole bunch of practices. And try to do it, just because, this person who's really good doesn't mean you can't be that good. So on and so forth. And this is me, hey, there's someone in the beauty community is just doing her best too, and everything else, and so she is a makeup theorist, she's an ME, she's a makeup lover, and also she's a musician. So she's all three M's. So that's really cool. She is a black creator. So I'm just giving out my love to everyone, of course. Her name is Tia, and I will put her Twitter, of course, down below, and I will also show her picture and everything else. Let me move. Sorry, I got Nala here. But she's really doing a really good job. She's doing a really good job for a beginner. And I don't know how long she's been doing makeup or anything else, but she's doing it. She's doing an excellent job. I mean, she is doing an excellent job. She's asking for advice and everything else. That's, to me, this is awesome. As in, there's somebody who's willing to ask the questions that she wants to know, so she can do better for her, to be better. And that's, to me, that's something. I don't really ask questions of this. I'm a type of person. I'm stubborn and I'll figure it out my own. But I'm glad she's trying to learn and everything else. And she has this beautiful smile. She's very sweet. She's very kind. And she does an amazing job. And, feel like she's doing an amazing job. And I feel like she deserves so much support and love because she is trying to bring the positivity into the beauty community. And that's what I just wanted to shout out her so much. And I really pick people, and sometimes I know who I want to pick ahead of time or anything like that. I've always been that way. But for her, I really did want to shout her out. I just didn't know when, but I feel like might as well now. So yes, you should follow her on Twitter and everything else, and give her some love and support because she really deserves it. She really deserves it, so much of it. And this is me shouting her out. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button so you know I still want to like these kind of videos and everything else. And I mean, I love how this makeup looks. But yeah, I'm trying to see what hairstyles I want to do. I really don't play with my hair a lot, but I really need to. I need to have it curl. Let me be weird, okay? Okay. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you be part of the Makeup Addict family where we're very, very sweet, who's very supportive. Also, we're drama free and also judgment free zone. I mean, we do not judge anybody or anything like that because everybody's here is to be loved and loved on, and everything else, and there's no drama. We're trying to stay drama free as possible, and I just figured might as well keep it to the positive. We're trying to bring the positivity into the world. We're going to do that some way, shape, or form, and we love it. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos that I upload and everything else. I usually upload every Monday, every Wednesday, and every Friday at 12 o'clock p.m. So you just make sure you hit the notification bell. Sometimes I will not upload a video, and mental. You gotta take care of your mental. You gotta take care of it because if you don't take care of it, what you're doing. So. And so, I love you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. And I love you guys, and God bless. Bye.